Model, 61-plate Renault Master LML45TW dCi 125 Euro5 low loader Luton box bargain. Body, white, Luton, box. Mileage, 190,500. Engine, 2,298 CCM 90 125 E4A. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts on easy start. Runs perfect on easy start. Apparently the fuel sender unit in the tank was faulty, so it was removed but never replaced. We've had it running on easy start and it sounds perfect. Also the intercooler is missing, previous owner used it for another vehicle. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, aircon, cruise control, parking sensors, electric windows. EU status, Euro 4. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.